In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a profile picture on Signal Private Messenger. If you're new to using the Signal application and you don't know how you can add any profile picture, then in this video, let me quickly show you how you can add it. Now, before I move on and show you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notifications so you get notified for more interesting videos. With that said, let's get right into it. Open up your Signal app and tap on your profile icon, which you see on the top left. Once you tap on this option, the settings page will open up. Now through the settings page, the first option that you see is your name and your phone number. So just tap on this option, and inside you can see your name, your about if you have added any, and your badges. Now to change your profile picture, you tap on edit photo, and either you can choose from these images right here, or if you want to add in your own face as your profile picture, you can also tap on the photo option and select the picture from your gallery. So tap on photo and select the picture. Once you have selected the picture, you just need to tap on the save option on the bottom right, and your profile picture will be easily added. Now in case you don't like it and you want to change it again, you can again tap on edit photo and select a different photo that you want to add in and tap on save on the bottom right. Now just in case you completely want to remove any pictures from your Signal, you can tap on the cross on the top and the profile picture will be removed. And similarly, you can tap on save on the bottom right and your profile picture will be added, changed or removed depending upon which option you choose. So that was a real quick video on how to add profile picture on Signal Private Messenger. Leave this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.